एक ओंकार करता पुरख अजूनी सैभं आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच गुरु खोसे भी सच किव सच और हुए किव कूड़े टुटे पा हुक्म रजाई चलना गुरु लिखिया
The sound of the Third World War heard and Europe will become the battlefield. Oh man. I am Ishwar, son Adishri Arun, cautioning you that the month of April 2022 will be the most special in the decade of whole era change. There will be a war between Taiwan and China in the months of April and May. April, May, June and July of the year 2022. This month will be celebrated the most important role in the decade of era change. But between 2023 and 2025, Europe will become a major battlefield of the Third World War. The year 2023 to 2025 will be the first and fastest knock of era change. The year 2023 to 2025 is very fatal for Western countries. If the war activities remain slow in the 4 months of April, May, June and July, then there will be delay in hearing of the Third World War in Europe. But this is sure to be a war. As soon as this danger is over, it will be America's turn. But the World War will still not happen. Why? The reason is clear. That when India does not join the war, then it will not be called a world war. India will continue to avoid war for now. In the last, India will enter to join the war. America is safe at the end of the year 2025. Nothing will happen in America right now. Oh man. The entire decade from the year 2020 to 2029 is an era of change. The year 2020 saw the whole world stop. Woke the havoc of the second wave of corona in the year 2021. After half February of the year 2022, people realized what is the danger of war, and people are facing the consequences of Russia and Ukraine war in 2022. In the 4 months of the year 2022, April, May, June and July, the effect of war activities will be visible in the middle January 2023. But is this talk of war limited to Russia and Ukraine only? No. Era is a long period of change or change. Europe will become the battlefield, whose whims will be heard from April 2022. Oh man. Don't you ever think that Russia became weak in the Russia-Ukraine war? Russia will be stronger in whatever war situations will arise now. Russia has a stockpile of combat weapons. If the atom bomb is used in the coming few months, then no one will be able to save Europe. Between 2023 and 2025, Europe will witness a much greater degree of devastation, which will be bigger than the Russia-Ukraine war. So do not go to Russia and European countries for education, job or business. So be it. Of course, so be it.